Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is Nachus and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, for here we will bring you football updates all over the world, bring you news from La Liga, Premiership, Serie A, and the rest of the world. For that, we'll start with Arsenal Football Club. On my media setting, after the match we then play on Sunday against Tottenham Hotspur, so media people come they ask Henry say, "What's this up with Daniel Ek now? She gonna talk saying I want to take over the club. What's going to happen?" So Henry come talk say, Daniel Ek dey here to stay. So he still want to take over the club. So the guy they very serious. Say the guy follow and come watch the match because the guy they monitor the situation, they see how the boys they play and everything. Say now only them crunky now they never really they ready to sell. You get, but they go see they monitor the situation. Maybe one day the crunky go say, okay, oh yeah, I bring that 2 billion. No go sell the club given her. Say any they go see they monitor the situation. Still on the media setting, they ask Henry how he take see Aubameyang celebration when Aubameyang celebrate just like the time when Henry score against Tottenham Hotspur, again he takes kneel down for ground, can't do hand, do muscle. So Aubameyang can't replicate that same celebration style. So Baba can't say almost when he says he can laugh, say happy. You know, say everybody they very happy with the way Arsenal they win Tottenham Hotspur as don't score 3-0 for first half. Saying happy. Say we watch now when Saka scoring stand up, give standing ovation. Saying they very happy at least. The team is playing well. I know say a lot of people they talk say Aubameyang they play like him. Say like the way the guy they play. Just say for some few games ago, say the guy can't they flop one time, but come like say the guy don't rediscover in form. And they're very happy with the team and they happy with Aubameyang. Say like I said, replicate in own celebration style. But at the same time, some of our monitoring spirits when they talk about Ben White, you know, everybody when they criticize Ben White before, now they can't be happy with him, you know, can't be joyful, say the guy was very good on that day, say the guy dominates Harry Kane. In short, now no nonsense defender. No say before, when they talk say now only Gabriel Magalhaes, that means the person they make tackles, that they make area duels. Say Ben White succeeded in carrying out a lot of aerial duels with many people and he won them. You get, say that back line, the defensive partnership between Ben White and Gabriel Magalhaes. Say and they're very young going on with the team. Some of them I think they are below 25 years. You get, so they get a lot of years to play together. I don't say defensive partnership no be like striker. If you play they 30 or 30 something together and you go mad because that partnership is very key. Can't get two people, especially Ben White. Don't say the guy is a British man. No, they see this Ben White breaking into England team. Sure, in the future, a lot of these our Arsenal crop of players, they will break into that England team. So they're very happy with Ben White as he don't turn around everybody. Now everybody they sing in praises now. A lot of people don't talk about Odegaard now, so they say Odegaard don't they undroppable. So as Odegaard did now, make Arsenal not drop him because the way the guy they play with football sense, as in they make everybody they around and they play very well. And as it stands now, so Odegaard don't they undroppable. So there is no way we can see Arteta dropping Odegaard for that starting 11. Odegaard, Ramsdale, Tomiyasu. In short, people they get opinion say the first 11 where Arsenal use against Tottenham Hotspur, say 9 will be Arteta preferred first 11 if all of them they fit. And truly everybody they fit except Granit Xhaka we don't get small injury, which means in our match against Brighton we they expect to see maybe Lokonga to come replace Granit Xhaka, and that first 11 is strong from the back to the midfield to the attack. Even when people collect Benjamin, that 11 strong like man. And that our midfield, not so when they talk say we sign another person, a known name, but the combination of Odegaard and Smith Rowe for that midfield, they just they change position, they switch. You are not gonna know even man, they very fluid and very swift. This suits me and it suits a lot of people, so they're very happy with our team now. Another shocking discovery be say, when they first buy Ramsdale, so Piers Morgan, maybe one of Arsenal favorite supporters, come outside, they criticize the guy, say the guy has shit packers, say after all Sheffield United go relegation, and a lot of us talk that, say even myself I talk the Sheffield United go relegation, this guy go carry Arsenal go relegation, this and that. So after the performances of Ramsdale, Piers Morgan no get choice, Baba just go meet Ramsdale because you can't watch that sports match. After the match, two of them come they talk, they laugh because they remember waiting, don't talk about Ramsdale before, and waiting Ramsdale self don't talk about that before, saying they insult people anyhow, so them just they happy. And that's what we said, they happy with Ramsdale because the guy don't endear us into in hearts, don't make us love him like mad. And funny enough, this is just like the third or fourth game with the guy don't play for Arsenal. Yet it's gonna be like say we don't know the guy, like so we don't be family members, but they love the guy like mad now. everywhere don dey sweet now. Omo for media setting, dem come dey ask Townsend say how you take see that match Arsenal vs Spurs, wetin still Aubameyang play. So Baba come dey talk say omo say this Aubameyang say Aubameyang don change o, say Aubameyang no be like before, say this Aubameyang now e come be like say as the fans don come back, say the morale of the fans, the chanting of the fans, the bond with the fans, when they lift the guy to one kind pedestal wey him dey before, no be the shit packing performance wey him dey give us before. Say now the guy dey play like a fresh player. See that goal, see the celebration, the way the guy dey mark, the way the guy dey position himself, they make everybody dey play with am, they dey fluid, they play counter 1-2 1-2. Then the guy na very nice player. Saying just dey sorry for Spurs for the way they play that day. Say kudos to Arsenal. So another thing wey another people come dey ask be say for that match between Arsenal and Tottenham Hotspur, they get two things wey dem dey talk. I say make I ask una, shey for that game, shey na say Arsenal overplay Tottenham and they come play very well, or na Tottenham na play badly and Arsenal come take advantage of the bad way they take play. So I take see this reason because Tottenham coach Nuno Santos dey talk say na him give tactics wey no work. So they won't come take advantage of Arsenal and comot the glory for Arsenal. Say na Arsenal outplay them. Some pundits come dey talk say na Tottenham na no play very well that day. Say no be say Arsenal play well. Wetin I get to talk to all this kind pundits wey dey talk all this kind thing? If person do well, give am the credit. Did you have to say na Tottenham Hotspur na no play well? After the match for media setting, they come dey ask Saka, and Saka come dey talk say omo the way things be now with the kind morale wey everybody don get for dressing room, say as Arsenal dey now omo they fit win something this season o. Top 4, top 6, omo you no far again o, we dey 10th, you no foul, we knack Brighton now, we don go up more. Before you know we dey go up, everybody don dey drop points now. Shebi in the beginning when we dey drop points, people dey laugh us, they call us a shit packer. Now we don dey come back now, say omo winning something this season, omo you no far, it's possible. Tony Adams, be one of our favorite pundits, don come outside, come dey talk about Smith-Rowe and Saka. So Baba come dey talk say the only weaknesses wey you see for these two players be say they no get physical ability, get their physicality traits no dey. You get people fit out-muscle them, people fit shift them, and na only that thing they see wey go affect them moving forward in the future. But apart from that, say they go dey very very good. Well, for me physicality or no physicality, which physicality they never endure? They no play ball. Which physicality they talk about? So if you get speed, okay, Sterling get physicality. Salah get body. Baba forget all that thing. They see they grow. Now she know like this they go dey forever. As they grow, they go dey chop up now. What for you? They whine me. Omoriga don come outside again, come dey talk about this North London derby, saying they very happy with the way that they win Tottenham Hotspur, and for the fact say they make the fans one day very very happy. Say never see Arsenal fans like this before. Say they happy, they chant their name, they call Mikel Arteta name, they call players name, as in the team burst in brain. Like the first time when they experience this kind of love, and they very very happy. Say moving forward, all the players they don't talk say omo the winning streak must continue. Say they will go Brighton and they go pack and give Brighton. Brighton must collect, inshallah. They go collect. Say Martin Keown don't come outside, come tell everybody say make una calm down, make una calm down first. You know say now everybody don dey talk, hey Arsenal, they praise Arteta, they talk everything. Say your own concern now be say make you no be say this is a false dawn, make you no be say na false positive you get. We don dey think so, we don dey get there, before you know now we go fall like pack of cards. So make we calm down with the team, make we monitor more, make we go play Brighton first, then make we see whether we don't turn the corner. But that one no mean say the win against Tottenham Hotspur was not a big win. It's a very very big statement. We send message to everybody, but at the same time make we calm down, make we no oversing their praises, make no go bust their brain or when they do rubbish, come talk to shit packer again. So we just calm down and make more they watch as things, they go take a game after game after game. At the end of the day, you will see say top 4 and top 6 no far. At the same time, Martin Keown come dey talk say another thing dey sweet in belle be say we don get the fans back. You know say the fans they dey against Arsenal hierarchy, Arsenal players, even the manager, everybody shout Arteta out. But now nobody dey talk Arteta out again. Everybody don come at the back of the players. They don become the players' 12th man to support them, give them that ginger, give them that morale. Let them know say we are here for you. We'll support you from the beginning of the whistle to the end of the whistle. So now see Baba dey talk say that one na another positive trait wey you see where Arsenal don turn their corner around. Say the fans are back, and now we say fans don come back. The only thing wey go remain na make dey perform for these fans wey dey support you. E no easy for people to dey buy tickets, come dey watch match, or we wey dey for where we dey, come dey watch, dey pay DSTV, dey do everything just to follow this our loving club. Omo, e no easy o. So you gats perform for us. Dey win every match. You sure win everything. Saka sef don come outside again come dey talk say before the match wey dem play against Spurs, say him with Emil Smith Rowe when dem dey eat breakfast, dem come dey reason say how e go feel if we score for Dortmund don there, e go make sense o. Now e be say fans don come back, they don dey discuss am. So for the match when Emil Smith Rowe just score, some of them come look themselves, come remember that conversation, say oh boy, Emil Smith Rowe dey run, dive, happy fans dey para, everybody dey shout. And before you know it, Saka sef come score im own. Smith Rowe come look and say, oh boy, he just score your own. You know, it was very happy and very funny, very joyous. Very happy for them, sha. Nice experience. Jamie Carragher sef don come outside when he dey do im pundit duty. So Baba come dey talk say, can you believe say White go dey dominate Harry Kane? Say that is impossible and unacceptable for Harry Kane standards. Say he no understand. Say maybe the move wey Harry Kane wan move to Man City come dey affect his psyche. Say the guy no dey play like normal the way wey dey play before, because how can you expect Harry Kane make him no score for EPL for how many games now? Wetin dey sup now? Say the guy no dey himself. Say the Kukuma let am leave. Even some Spurs fans now don dey para say they no need Harry Kane again. Say make him comot. Which one? You know your move no materialize. Okay, play well for us now. Next season you move. Which one be say you no come dey play very well again? Wetin dey sup? So na wetin dey come dey criticize the guy. But make dem no take the credit away from Ben White. The guy played very well. He dominate Kane. Say he dey better at him duty. Na Kane no play well. So no dey talk say Kane let am dominate am or because Kane was not at his best. Why not say because Ben White was at his super best? That was why he could dominate Kane. Flip it. They talk and make dey favourous to Kane. The matter about this match never finish. Even Gary Neville sef don come outside dey talk about Tomiyasu. So Baba come dey talk say this Tomiyasu na deadline dey buy you. They just buy this guy from Bologna. How many matches now the guy don turn fans favourite? Say the guy be like Rock of Gibraltar. Say this Tomiyasu, wetin him do Son on that day? Son gats change position because Son say no road for here. Say that place na road block. Where he wan come go? Son gats go play midfield because if you no fit play Tomiyasu wing, shey na see any side he wan come go play. You get say that is wetin Arsenal fans dey want. Say make dem see say this wing no road there. If you go to any side, no road o. If you wan follow midfield, no road for Gabriel and White's position o. Wetin you come do na the next thing na to dey do area ball. More limit them to area ball. Nothing like tiki taka say you wan enter. Who be you? You wan do tiki taka enter. So na wetin Baba just dey talk. Dey praise this Tomiyasu and we sef dey very happy with the guy. The guy dey represent us well, and that our backline. If I don't remember them like this, they give me joy. Wallahi. So my dear football lovers, now here we come to the end of today's show. Tomorrow, I will come again, come giving a fresh updates as they drop all over the world. And if today is the first time we see our program, don't forget to like our posts, share our videos, follow us, and support us. And you see that bell notification icon we did there. Toggle them so that when next we drop videos, Facebook and YouTube will notify you say we don't drop them. Thank you for always supporting us. And God bless you.